Welcome to the Friday Value video, and we're finishing up a little series on time flies or time drags. And it's really all about our perception of time. And we want those special memories to linger and last. We want our favorite times to not speed by. So, we can slow down our experience of time. As I finished with last week, we can make summer feel a little richer, a little more memorable, and keep this feeling throughout the year. Are you ready? I'm going to share with you 5 things, and these were recommended by the Connectivity Council. I didn't make this up, but I loved their suggestions. So the first one was to seek novelty. Try one new thing each week. Keep it simple. A different route when you take your walk, a brand new recipe, or make it a point to get to that local farmer's market that you've been wanting to visit. Anything novel and new is reported to sharpen our attention and deepen our memory. Sounds like fun to me. The next, practice mindfulness. Time is seen to slow when we're grounded in the present. Instead of constantly thinking of what's next or what's coming tomorrow, focus on the sun on your skin or savor that sweet and juicy watermelon slice. Do you hear the birds outside your window? Sensory anchors can stretch time, at least our perception of it. Balance activity with rest because overscheduling is a sure way to make the days go by in a blur. Experts recommend scheduling white space to provide unstructured time to relax. Think some thoughts to stir your creative juices or just be. Of course, sleep is also vital, and rested brains store richer memories. Limit passive media time. Take command of your scroll time. Don't let time whiz by just scrolling through mindless stuff. Choose a different activity, an activity that has a footprint, like writing in a journal or taking pictures or planting something in your garden or cooking a meal with loved ones. It's the active moments that create lasting memories. Scrolling is not an active moment. And embrace small changes. When you vary your days, they feel longer when you look back. This means it's important to mix things up a little. Try playing different music on your playlist or eating lunch someplace new. One suggestion was to host a themed dinner. I used to do themed nutrition classes. I wanted to share this with you. This was a meal that I had out. Oh my gosh, roasted cauliflower steak with asparagus and potatoes and carrots. And this was a mocktail made with blood orange. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. And that meal just lingered. I savored it. It didn't rush by. But hosting a themed dinner, I used to do themed nutrition classes. I wanted to share this with you. This was the food that I served during an aging facts class that I taught. And the first thing I shared was time for green drink. I served these things during the PowerPoint presentation of all of the facts gathered. And it was so much fun. We also served a nice green salad with a beautiful zesty orange vinaigrette dressing that was oil free. And then I served 2 types of pizza. One was a white bean pizza. This was a white bean topping with tomatoes and spinach. And then this was a baked potato and onion pizza. These were both vegan and oil free. Can you imagine? And of course, dessert. This fudge dip used white beans, unsweetened cocoa, a little bit of agave nectar, and some non-dairy milk. So we ate amazing and it was wonderful. But the spirit of summer doesn't have to end, even when the days shorten for real because of longer nights. Let's experience life in some different ways. Let's slow down and connect more deeply with our environment and the people who matter most in our lives. Let's bring that summer feeling into the fall and beyond. So I urge you, preserve the summer spirit so you can have lifelong well being. I'll see you next week.